What's going on, Saints? This is Kevin coming at you today, December 31st, 2025. What a beautiful end to the year, guys. Um, man, just so grateful for all the Lord has done and just for another year of life, for being able to spend time with our loved ones, for being able to serve Him, for being able to testify of Jesus, the work on the cross, and our eternal life in Him. Just want to wish everybody a happy new year. And I've got two big new announcements for you guys. I started a new Discord in which I'm going to be providing free trading or day trading resources for learning, trading recaps. I'm going to be posting my monthly P&L, um, trade ideas, and then I'll have a section for faith and discussion. So just looking to build community with you guys. It'll be completely free. I might do some live trading later down the line, but for now, I'm just interested in building some community with you guys. So if you're interested, I'll drop that in a pinned comment at the bottom of this video. Feel free to check that out and join, guys, and you can share that link with others to join up. I think it would be of great benefit and value to you guys. And then the second thing I wanted to mention is I am affiliated with Alpha Futures now. They're one of my favorite firms because they have the AlphaZero accounts. So with the AlphaZero accounts, there's no activation fee, and you can really get some great rules, some of the best rules in the game for less than $100 for the 50K or $200 for the 100K. But the beautiful thing, and I'll show you guys real quick with Alpha Futures. This is what I love about this firm, guys. It's absolutely amazing. If I can go to assessments, excuse me, guys, got a bit of a cough. It's flu season, and your boy's been feeling a little down lately, so keep me in prayers. By the way, guys, I got a new webcam, so if you like the quality, let me know. I'm kind of testing it out and seeing how things are. I might have to move it a bit, but anyway, zero plans. If you guys look, really great pricing, honestly, all around. $100 for 50K. You get 3K profit target, 2K drawdown. But here's the amazing thing, guys. Check this out. The 100K challenge has a 6K profit target and a 4K drawdown. That's the same profit to drawdown ratio as the 50K for just double the price. So if I was to buy one, I'd just buy the 100K since I get more bang for my buck. The max payout you can get on the 50K is 1,500 and on the 100K is 3,000. So anyway, that's what I've been trading. Let's go over today's trade recap. I took one trade today on December 31st. It was 3.5K across 4 accounts. I did end up losing one of my fundeds, but it's all good. We'll go into the new year in the green. You can see there my P&L, beautiful. So we'll go over today's trade. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. And December price action, let me tell you, it's been better than I expected. A lot of people don't trade December, but if I see an opportunity, I'm not going to give it up. So we'll go back to the open of the New York session, which was right around here. We'll go to market replay, start a new one, and right around here. Let's go full screen. All right. So here we go. It's the 9 to 10 a.m. candle. We see a big displacement down, and we close below the 8 a.m. lows here. So that shows me that we're bearish. If we look to the daily time frame, we're very bearish on the day. And then the 4-hour, this is where I really got my bias from. So we see basically an inside out bar. And I saw a big rejection off of this fair value gap here. So I'm trying to select it. How do I change the template on this thing? This thing always, there we go. All right. So we're rejecting off of this fair value gap on the 4-hour. We've got this inside bar. And then on the 1 hour, we're bearish. So after this close, My whole goal, guys, was to target the 1 hour lows. Why do I always struggle finding tools? Okay, here's the brush. All right. So I'm targeting these lows here. All right. Again, daily's bearish. We're rejecting off a 4 hour value gap. And then when I go down to the 1 minute, you're going to see in a second what is going on. So this is going to be my target here at the bottom. And we just closed, right? So 10 a.m. is going to open. At 10 a.m., we get a large drive of momentum. We know the silver bullet tends to be a prominent hour for us as ICT traders. So what's going to happen? I'm going to be expecting a big rejection or a big acceleration in volume, excuse me. We do have this fair value gap here that's been created. Again, update the template on this. I'm not sure why every time I have to. There it goes. And then more importantly, on the 5 minute, if we scale down, we just projected off of this. I'll get rid of the 4 hour FBG since we got the picture already. But we do have this 5 minute fair value gap that's been created. And what happened, guys? We just displaced off of it. So if you noticed, we came up right here. We came up, we traded into it, and then we got this big rejection to the downside. So if I go down to the 1 minute, we see tapped into that fair value gap and displaced. I actually got a bad fill. I wanted to enter sooner than what we did. But yeah, I mean, I took what I could get on this day. I still got like 25 points. So I'll show you guys my entry. I think I waited here to see what price was doing at 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. opened up, still a little bit still a little bit undecided there. So I'm not gonna enter yet. Boom, and then we displaced down. So immediately when I see that displacement, I'm gonna place a limit order. Basically at this candle. Why at this candle? Because I'm going to be treating this as an order block. Okay, so I'm going to be treating this as an order block right here. And so what I did was I placed a limit order here, guys. Boom. And then I waited to get filled. So I think I get tapped in. Boom, I get tapped in, and that next candle, my stop loss is going to be above the fair value gap and above these swing highs. I actually think I had a little bit higher, but we'll just place it here. And then my take profit is going to be at this low for a 1-to-1. So confirm. And then we'll see what price does. It did take a sweet minute. We kind of chopped around for a little bit. But eventually I had high confidence in this trade, and the reason is that we were just displacing off the higher time frame fair value gaps like the 4 hour and 5 minutes. So I felt like we would hit this draw. So this is where I'll go back here for a sec. Oh, whoops, it took me out of the trade. I actually have to go back and I'll just re-enter because I know I'm going to get filled. But anyway, what happened was in this candle, we had an SMT with ES. ES took the draw and NQ didn't. So we're going to see a rejection here in a second. However, even though ES took the draw, I stayed in the trade because I was fairly confident we would hit it. So I'm going to get back in the trade, even though I was already in the trade, but you guys get the idea. And then we wick up, stop hunt above the highs, and then we come back down and we hit take profit right there. So a beautiful 1-to-1 trade off of a higher volume context. We had our entry, where was it? My entry was right here. And this was the take profit. And then my stop loss was right there. So 1-to-1. Beautiful, beautiful trade coming into the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. Please have a blessed time this new year. Enjoy your time with family. I love you guys. We're going to come back 2026 stronger than ever. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. God bless y'all. Love y'all so much. Just subscribe to that channel. Subscribe to the Discord. Join up. I'm excited to know some of you guys more. Take care. God bless. See you guys next time.